Hey guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ari. Today, the reason I'm in the bathroom and my hair is pulled back and I'm not wearing any makeup is my phone is going off. Where is my phone? Anyway, the reason I'm not wearing any makeup and my hair is pulled back is because I'm about to do a full face of makeup from the dollar store. I don't really have much of an intro other than go enter my giveaway if you want to. That would be lit. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is you gotta moisturize. So I have this stuff. It's moisturizer, it's day cream, it's facial cream with vitamin E. We're gonna put it on. Oh, that's a weird, oh, that came out fast. It looks like that. It's white. It's creamy, probably. It smells like plastic. That's not a great smell. It doesn't smell bad, it smells like plastic. Do I feel moisturized? That's the real question. I feel sticky, actually. I just feel sticky, not moisturized. That's fine. No, I'm actually sticky. Well, that's gross. The next thing we have, that's not what I'm looking for, is this, which is in the shade light medium because they only had 2 shades and the other one was really dark. So, get all this unnecessary packaging. I can't open it. Anyways, here is our foundation. It looks like this. It's by ColorMates. It's in light medium, and we're just gonna use this little sponge and put it all over my face, I guess. Like, seriously, none came off. I'm pressing so hard and like nothing is coming off. Okay, well, is that my color? Oh, this smells really nice, actually. If you guys watch, do you guys watch Jeffree Star? Because he smells all the makeup, like, before he uses it. I actually don't hate this. Wow, this is actually my color, too. But yeah, he's always like, this smells good, or oh, that smells bad. And I'm like, Jeffree, why are you smelling the makeup? I mean, I guess if it's gonna be on your face all day, you don't want it to smell bad. I think makeup just generally smells like makeup. This is very difficult to use because like none comes off on the sponge. But it does smell good, so that's cool. Oh, I also do have old eyeliner on. I can't get it off. It'll come off eventually. So if you're wondering why, that's why. Because, I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's on. It definitely makes me look furry. You know, like it really highlights the hair that's on my skin. You know, like my peach fuzz. Oh man. Yeah, it makes me look really, really furry. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Am I the only one that feels furry sometimes when I have makeup on? Also, apparently I have a bunch of messed up skin at the top of my head that I can now see because of this makeup. Yeah, it definitely evened my skin tone. This is sticky as well, so it's sticky. It did even my skin tone. It smells fine. But it also, I feel like, really highlights my imperfections, which is kind of the opposite of what it's supposed to be, so. Next we have this concealer in Natural. What do you mean natural? Every skin tone is natural. Well, I mean, unless you're like getting a spray tan. But I don't know, I just think Natural is a random, like, weird name. What if we just stab it with a hairbrush? That did nothing. Okay, so it's the pumpy kind. Liquid makeup. I don't really know. Okay. That looks not like my skin tone. So we're just gonna put it under my eye. That's the only place that I really put concealer. I don't even wear concealer, if I'm being honest. You guys, I think that actually worked pretty well. Wow. Or did it make it worse? That's, you know, I don't know. I think that actually worked because I usually have pretty bad bags under my eyes. They're probably the exact same and I'm just exaggerating, but. Okay, next we have powder. This one is in Natural Beige, and this is by ColorBase. Oh my gosh, why can't the cardboard just rip off? You know what I'm saying? Like, why can't it just rip? and then there's the plastic and you just get it out. Why does it just rip off and then you're just... So literally, this is like the color of all the makeup that I've got today, and I've been like, that's not my skin tone, but then it actually is my skin tone. So, oh wow, that goes everywhere. I guess we're just gonna put it on my face. Yeah, let's just go with that. I did take away a lot of the furriness. My face is actually really orange. Like compared to my neck, can you see this? Oh, that's so terrible. Wow. Yeah, so my face is kind of orange. I look a little bit like Trump. It's not my skin tone. I just said it is my skin tone. It's not my skin tone because I forget that I'm not tan. My face is kind of tan, but the rest of me is tan. So, dollar store, please carry lighter shades and darker shades. This is like the only shade they have in everything. Okay, that was fine. That's fine. The next thing is this LA Colors highlight that we're going to use. This is the shade Glow Time, and you can tell it's old because this is the highlight that I used to use. I don't really use highlight anymore. I don't know. But let's just brush that on and see what it does. I'm not even tired. I'm just freaking, I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. And put a little on my nose because I want to. Okay, so I like this. It's definitely shiny, which is the point. You know, it's shiny. It's fine. It's cool. It's whatever. I don't know, mediocre, it works, it goes on your cheeks and it makes you shiny, so that works. Next thing we're going to do is blush, which I never wear because I don't know how to put it on. So we have LA Colors Powder Blush in the color Pink Blush. That's so fitting for this product, wow. Who comes up with these names? They're so good at their job. You know, I could have opened all of this beforehand, but I was like, it's fine, I'll just open it on camera, and now I'm like, got it. Here is the blush. Yep, there it is in Pink Blush by LA Colors. I'm just gonna get some. It's like the kids makeup you get at Claire's, and we're gonna put it on our cheeks. That's not where blush goes. We're just doing this. We're just going for it. I'm a makeup guru. Well, I'd say that it's fine. I know nothing about blush and I don't like wearing it, so it's fine. But use a different brush, I guess. Next thing we have by LA Colors is a brow tint in black because it was the only color they had, and my eyebrows are not black. They're brown. I have brown hair. They're kind of stained because I've been doing them lately, and I do them in like a blackish color. But I guess we're just going full black today. Do I just brush it like, oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. It's like mascara. Okay. But it's very hard to control. I can't control it. Does that make sense? Like I can't control where it's going. I actually don't hate that. My eyebrows do feel really weird. It kind of feels like I just put acrylic paint on my eyebrows and it's drying. But yeah, actually, I don't think the black is too dark. It's dark, but it's not too dark. Every time I turn my head, I'm reminded of this beautiful orange jawline that goes onto this yellow neck. I think I have a yellow skin tone. Is that a thing? I don't know. We're just gonna do my lipstick right now before I do my eyes. This is by Wet n Wild in the color Fuchsia with Blue Pearl. Why isn't it just... Okay. Okay, so I was watching Jeffree Star's reveal yesterday for the Jawbreaker palette. And there's so many neon colors, I decided to get this, and in hindsight, this is not gonna look good on me. But you know what? He was wearing bright colors and I wanted to be like him. I also got bright eyeshadow, so let's put this on. Wow, that's bright. This is definitely really creamy and really easy to put on. It's very bright. Wow, I look like a Barbie. That's cool. I actually kind of love this, you guys. Like, this is like my favorite color. Okay, yeah, no, 10 out of 10. Buy this lipstick. It is Wet n Wild in Fuchsia with Blue Pearl freaking lipstick. I don't know, I had all sorts of stuff on it. In the palette Fling. also by LA Colors. You know, we're gonna do a little 4-color moment. Can you tell I've been watching Jeffree Star? We are gonna go green to blue to purple to pink. Welcome to my eyeshadow tutorial. You're gonna get your brush, you're gonna put blue on it. That looks really pigmented. It is not. I mean, it's kind of pigmented. I don't know. Great, and then you're just gonna put it on your eye like that. Okay, so this is not pigmented at all. So I'm just gonna go over the purple because you can't see it. That looks fine, that looks cute. I like these colors. I wanted to do green and I didn't, so that sucks. I like this actually. I like this look. This is a good look. This again is dirty because I've had it and I'm just gonna use it, and this is what I was gonna buy and I was like, why would I buy 2 of them? It's the LA Colors liquid eyeliner. It is mediocre and it clumps. I already know that. We're gonna put it on. Also, I'm really bad at putting on eyeliner, so sorry. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, even, nice eyeliner that I just put on. Yeah, that's not the fault of the eyeliner. That's the fault of me not being good at eyeliner. It goes with this lipstick. Oh my gosh, look at these colors. I love it. My camera stopped recording while I was filming, so that's awesome. I'm just gonna film the outro right now in a different position because, like I said, the camera, yeah, anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like because that would be cool. Why is there makeup all over me? Oh my god. If you didn't like it, I recommend going to watching a video that you do like because why put yourself through that torture? Comment down below your favorite cheap makeup brands, and I don't know, I feel like there's a lot of these makeup brands you can get at like Walmart, but you can also get them at the dollar store. And I don't know, comment if you guys use any cheap makeup and if it works well and if you like it. And also if they carry your skin tone that's not orange. But one more time, thank you so much for watching. Remember to accept the things that you cannot change and change the things that you cannot accept. I love you guys and peace out.